This is, oh, sorry about the beeping, that's our neighbors. This is Advanced Genesis 5638, and this will be the last time you see the 10 zone EST Fire Shield 1004 G. And here we go. Now I'll plug it. Well, that is all, and also, Fire Alarm Tech Guy 44 traded his new Genesis L Series for a EST Integrity 757-7A so I can have this and have all Edwards EST Genesis devices, so that the panel wouldn't miss a beat or have that long delay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. Then we're gonna trade panels, and I'm gonna get a smaller panel because this panel I don't need too much, but he's looking to expand, and I don't have very much of something that needed it like this huge. I only use like one NAC and 2 zones. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. So go in there. See ya.